In this video, I'm breaking down the top 6 3D printers you can buy going into 2026, and by the end, I'll tell you which one I believe is the best overall 3D printer right now. We'll count down from number 6 all the way to number 1, comparing speed, reliability, print quality, and real-world usability. If you want current pricing or full specs, you'll find links to every printer in the description below. Let's get started. Number 6. Creality Ender-3 V3 KE. Kicking off the list is the Creality Ender-3 V3 KE, a printer that continues to dominate the budget category in 2026. This is an ideal entry point for beginners who want serious speed and modern features without paying premium prices. The Ender-3 V3 KE reaches print speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, which means you can print a Benchy in roughly 15 minutes, something that used to require far more expensive machines. A reinforced X-axis linear rail with ball bearings keeps motion smooth and stable even during aggressive high-speed prints. It uses Creality's Sprite direct drive extruder combined with a 60-watt ceramic heater, allowing it to handle PLA, PETG, TPU, and higher temperature filaments up to 300 degrees Celsius. Automatic bed leveling, Z-offset correction, and a bright 4.3-inch color touchscreen make setup painless. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control and monitor prints through Creality Cloud, while the flexible PEI build plate make part removal quick and frustration-free. Thanks to Clipper-based firmware, features like input shaping and motion advance significantly improve print quality, keeping ringing and ghosting to a minimum. For the price, this is one of the best beginner-friendly printers you can buy. Number 5. FLS Super Racer. At number 5 is the FLS Super Racer, a Delta-style printer that still earns its place in 2026 for one simple reason: speed. Unlike traditional Cartesian printers, this Delta setup allows the Super Racer to reach speeds of up to 200 millimeters per second, often printing 2 to 3 times faster than entry-level machines. Linear rails on all 3 towers and a lightweight print head help maintain smooth, stable motion. It uses a BMG dual-gear extruder paired with a volcano-style hot end capable of reaching 260 degrees Celsius, while the heated glass bed goes up to 100 degrees Celsius, supporting PLA and PETG reliably. Auto bed leveling, a 3.5-inch touchscreen, and a 32-bit mainboard with silent drivers make it easy and quiet to operate. The all-metal frame adds rigidity, though at extreme speeds you may need fine-tuning to eliminate ringing. Still, for makers who want fast prints without overspending, the Super Racer delivers excellent value. Number 4. Creality CR-M4. At number 4 is the Creality CR-M4, a machine built for large format and heavy-duty printing. This printer stands out thanks to its massive build volume and industrial-grade stability. Dual Y-axis linear rails and a reinforced triangular frame keep everything rigid during long, multi-day prints. The Sprite direct drive extruder and volcano hot end reach 300 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for advanced materials like nylon and carbon fiber reinforced filaments. A spring steel PEI build plate ensures strong adhesion and easy removal, while the CR Touch auto leveling delivers consistent first layers. The removable 4.3-inch touchscreen is clean and intuitive, and a powerful dual-duct cooling system improves overhangs and reduces stringing. Extras like filament runout detection, power loss recovery, an 800-watt power supply, and a synchronized dual Z-axis eliminate sag and Z-wobble. If you need professional-grade results on big prints, the CR-M4 is a workhorse. Number 3. Bambu Lab P1S. At number 3 is the Bambu Lab P1S, one of the most user-friendly and technologically advanced printers available heading into 2026. Designed for speed and automation, the P1S builds on Bambu Lab's proven platform with a fully enclosed design, carbon air filtration, and compatibility with the AMS multi-material system, allowing automatic color and material switching. Print speeds reach 500 millimeters per second with acceleration up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared. Active vibration compensation keeps prints sharp even at extreme speeds. Features like automatic bed leveling, LiDAR-assisted first-layer inspection, and automatic flow calibration make setup near hands-off. The enclosure allows reliable printing with ABS, ASA, nylon, and carbon fiber blends while still delivering excellent results with PLA and PETG. Wi-Fi connectivity, cloud control, and built-in camera monitoring make this a truly smart printer. If you want premium performance with minimal effort, the P1S is hard to beat. Coming in at number 2 is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro, a machine pushing high-speed printing even further. This machine reaches speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second with acceleration matching Bambu Lab's flagship models. Its direct drive extruder features a quick-release nozzle system, making nozzle swaps fast and tool-free. The fully enclosed chamber with dual air filtration keeps temperature stable and reduces emissions, making it suitable for homes, offices, and classrooms. Auto bed leveling, a PEI-coated flex steel build plate, and multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, make daily use seamless. An all-metal frame and vibration compensation ensure clean, detailed prints even at high speeds. While TPU performs best at slower settings, for most materials, this printer delivers incredibly fast and consistent results. Number 1. Prusa MK4. Taking the top spot is the Prusa MK4, which remains the gold standard for reliability and precision in desktop 3D printing going into 2026. Built around a solid die-cast aluminum frame and ultra-precise stepper motors, the MK4 is engineered for long-term consistency. Its next-generation Nextruder uses a load cell sensor to automatically perfect the first layer, no manual calibration required. Advanced features like input shaping and pressure advance drastically reduce print times while maintaining exceptional quality. The 32-bit electronics, silent drivers, and excellent cooling system make it quiet, efficient, and dependable. The magnetic PEI spring steel sheet ensures perfect adhesion and effortless removal, while the all-metal hot end supports demanding materials like nylon and polycarbonate. Connectivity options include USB, LAN, Wi-Fi, and Prusa Connect for remote monitoring. With unmatched reliability, outstanding safety protections, and consistently perfect results, the Prusa MK4 remains the most dependable 3D printer you can own. So that's my list of the top 6 3D printers for 2026. Whether you're a beginner, a speed enthusiast, or a professional maker, there's a printer here that fits your needs. All product links and current pricing are in the description and comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy printing!